How to create an FTP account in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now, click FTP Management icon. This is the interface where you can create new FTP account and manage existing accounts. DirectAdmin has already created a default FTP account for this hosting account. You can't delete this default FTP account. Let's create an additional FTP account. Click Create FTP Account button. Enter a username. You can enter the new password manually or click this Generate icon to generate it automatically. Click the Password Generator icon. There are 4 different types of accounts that you can create depending on the extent of access you wish to grant to the user. The path for the root directory is given for each type of account. You can also provide your own path of the custom folder you have created for the new user. Select any one of the given options and click Create button. The new FTP account has been created. Copy and save the username and password. You now know how to create an FTP account. Thank you for watching.